GIFT IFSC is becoming one of India's most important international financial ecosystems, and for chartered accountants, it opens a wide set of high-value roles, not only in audit, but also consulting, compliance, governance, risk, finance transformation, and regulatory advisory. In this video, I'll break down where CAs fit in GIFT IFSC, the most in-demand roles, typical work you will do, and how to position yourself to win these opportunities. Let's explore the growing opportunities for chartered accountants in the GIFT IFSC. From consulting and auditing to compliance and risk management, the roles are diverse and impactful. Whether you're looking to establish yourself or expand your practice, this ecosystem offers a wealth of possibilities for professionals like you. Now, let's understand what makes the GIFT IFSC unique. As an international financial services center regulated by IFSCA, the ecosystem includes key sectors like banking, capital markets, fund management, fintech, and aircraft leasing. Compared to domestic setups, work here is often documentation-heavy, compliance-driven, and governed by international regulations and multi-jurisdictional expectations. Consulting in GIFT IFSC is one of the largest opportunity areas for chartered accountants. Consultants help entities with structuring, licensing readiness, regulatory support, and internal policies. The typical consulting assignments involve providing regulatory advisory on IFSCA frameworks, designing operating models across finance and compliance functions, drafting key policies on risk, governance, and AML, and offering implementation support for compliance calendars, SOPs, and audit readiness. Next, let's talk about audit and assurance. Chartered accountants naturally excel in this area. However, in the IFSC ecosystem, you'll need a deeper understanding of regulatory expectations and robust documentation practices. The opportunities range from statutory audits and internal audits to specialized compliance and process audits. A key differentiator here is your ability to translate complex regulations into testable controls, particularly in areas like AML, IT controls, and outsourcing. Compliance and regulatory operations are another key area where CAs can make a strong impact. Whether working in-house or as an outsourced partner, many IFSC entities require compliance experts to handle regulatory returns, board documentation, evidence libraries, and more. You can even set up a recurring compliance ops practice, offering services like monthly compliance, calendar management, periodic reporting, and readiness for regulatory inspections. Risk and governance is an essential aspect of IFSC operations. Entities are expected to maintain structured governance with clear board oversight and internal controls. Chartered accountants are well positioned to lead enterprise risk assessments, design internal controls, and prepare governance packs. Your audit mindset can give you a significant edge here by ensuring that the controls you design are not only practical but also auditable. Finance and reporting roles in IFSC are also a strong area for chartered accountants. Many IFSC entities need CFO office support for accounting, financial reporting, budgeting, and cross-border reconciliations. Additionally, global in-house centers and finance shared services offer roles in controllership, FP&A, and compliance reporting. If you're familiar with systems and documentation, Excel, ERPs, and reporting templates, you'll become a highly sought-after professional in this space. Now, how do you position yourself for success in these roles? There are 4 key areas to focus on. First, understand the IFSCA ecosystem and its compliance requirements. Second, build expertise in documentation, policies, SOPs, board notes, and compliance evidence. Third, develop a controls mindset by mapping regulations to processes and creating testable controls. Finally, package your offering with clear scope, timelines, deliverables, and a monthly compliance support model. Start small and gradually expand into full advisory roles. To sum it up, GIFT IFSC offers chartered accountants strong career and practice opportunities across various roles like consulting, audit, compliance, risk, governance, and finance. The winners will be those who combine strong CA fundamentals with an understanding of regulatory requirements and documentation discipline. If you'd like, I can share a service menu and deliverables checklist that you can use to pitch IFSC clients. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights on how chartered accountants can tap into emerging opportunities in the global financial ecosystem. Moonses and Management Consultants LLP, a trusted partner for SEZ and IFSC excellence. A pioneer in establishing SEZ and IFSC units within GIFT City and India, delivering end-to-end IFSC setup, operational support, and handling complaints, risk management, renowned for deep expertise in regulatory approvals, capital markets, fund management, insurance, finance company, foreign university BAT, and ancillary regulations. And FinTech, expertise in customs clearance for aircraft and ship procurement, leasing, GST, DSPF, IFSCA, comprehensive support covering registration, reporting, and regulatory transitions, ensuring ring fencing, transparency, and global compliance standards. Join our network, scan the QR codes below to stay connected with us.